How you doing, everybody? I recently removed the stock exhaust off of my 2018 Polaris General, which looks like this, heavy brick. And I bought a Magnaflow muffler off of eBay, 4-inch round. I bought 3 2¼ inch mandrel bent 90 stainless steel. And I used those. The collector, I used the original factory collector off my muffler. I cut it off, you can see here, and used it on my new exhaust. Worked perfect. And I also used the stock Polaris 2-inch spark arrestor, which I might be changing that. I'm not sure. I also welded my own spring perch on the muffler. Used the original Polaris mount on the vehicle. As far as these 3/8 round bar mounts on rubbers for Polaris, I took 3/8 round bar and I made my own. I don't know if you can see that good. You just weld 3/8 washers on the round bar and you bend them to where you want your exhaust pipe. This was a lot cheaper than spending $500 on an aftermarket exhaust. And so far it sounds great, runs great. It's a little on the loud side. The only thing I might do is take out this 2-inch spark arrestor factory Polaris and maybe put a HMF or Two Brothers 2.5-inch spark arrestor in there. I'll refabricate that. But just for everybody at home, to give you an idea what the Magnaflow 4-inch round through exhaust sounds like on their Polaris. I'm happy with it. Alright, thank you all for watching, and please subscribe.